Launched with much fanfare, the Bangalore Metro was to make the commute for Bangaloreans easier. But watch how a journey in Namma Metro turned into a nightmare for this young woman. She enters a metro at MG Road station and takes her seat, not knowing the predators that sat in front of her. Within minutes, the harassment begins and the victim moves to another seat.
They started teasing me, they're showing me those face dirty looks and all that. Started clicking pictures, so I got really uncomfortable. I changed my seat.
But the goons aren't deterred. One by one, they follow the victim. Once the first of the brutes has returned, the second man continues to harass the young woman. As they laugh over their crime, the victim approaches a fellow passenger for help. At the station, the two women beckon a security guard for help, but clearly there is no help forthcoming. And the story is no different when they take on the assaulters on the platform, as a security guard merely walks by watching the show.
The guys started hovering around. They started walking here and there where I was sitting, and I got really uncomfortable. I asked one security fellow to come and help me. We both asked. But then he was like, no.
The scarred victim recounting her demanding an apology. But what about the punishment? Shouldn't these predators be brought to book? And what about the metro officials who merely looked on? Shouldn't they be taken to task for failing to do their duty? And shouldn't the men who dare to harass and humiliate women in public be named, shamed and punished? Bureau Report, Times Now.